Hello, this is Tariq Habib. Hope you are alright. In today's session, I will describe the following things: how JavaScript executes C# public method in MVC. I'm showing you the result at first, then I will describe the code. Like I have a button like this, and when I click this button, it will show a value in the model. See? It's a value of pi 3.1415. So how this command showing you? Here is a controller named collection controller, and here is a public function named pi here, and it returns double type value. And the value is the value of the pipe, and there is a view named index.cshtml, and here is a function named getPipe, and this function is written in JavaScript and jQuery. And one more thing, don't forget to add the jQuery file here. If you don't link this file here, the program will not run and will not show the proper value. So don't forget to add the link. So what I did, here is an input type button, and when you click this button, then this getPy function executed. And in the getPy function, I declared a variable called URL and assign it with URL action method, and inside URL action I call the pi method the call action, this one, and this URL action actually returns only an URL. And like if you mention action name and controller name with optional parameter, then it generates the path with the optional parameter. And here we call get method of jQuery, and we assign it with URL, and then we generate the data. See here, this get function requests to page and get the result back, and this method loads data from the server using the HTTP GET request. Here request pi and alert the result of the request. See here, request pi and alert the result of the request, because we have already this pi function path in the URL. And when you run the program, when you click this button, then execution returns to here, and it executes at first this line and return the path, and we assign the path in the get method, and then it returns the value in the data, and we align the data. What happened here, and when you click here, then it shows the data, and this data came from this pi method, and this is a public method or function which returns the double type value. So this is all I want to make you understand in this lecture. Thank you very much.